Similarity and transformations. Lesson 7.3. The standard is 8G4. The objective is to use transformations to create similar figures. The essential question is, how can you determine congruence and similarity? Two figures are similar if the second can be obtained from the first by a sequence of transformations and dilations. Similar means the same shape but a different size, and congruent means the same shape and the same size. Example number 1. Determine if the figures are similar by using transformations. So it looks like the small triangle was reflected and then enlarged to make the big triangle. So what we're going to do is count the base of each triangle. So the small triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the base of the large triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count the height of the small triangle. That's 1, 2, 3. And then the height of the large triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we're going to do is take the new image, which is the large triangle, and divide it by the old image, which is the small triangle. So we're going to start with the base. So the base of the new triangle is 10, and we're going to divide that by the base of the old triangle, which is 5. So 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Now we're going to do that again, but this time for the height. So the height of the new triangle is 6. We're going to divide that by the height of the old triangle, which is 3. So 6 divided by 3, again, will give us 2. Since our answer is 2 both times, yes, they are similar. So first, we reflect triangle, STU, then dilate by a scale factor of 2. Example number 2. Determine if the figures are similar by using transformations. Now it looks like the big figure was translated and then reduced. So what I'm going to do is find the side lengths of each figure. So the side length of AD, I'm going to give it 1 dash, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. AD corresponds to EH, so EH will have 1 dash, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units long. Now we'll find side length AB. It will have 2 dashes, and it's 1, 2, 3 units long. AB corresponds to EF. It will have 2 dashes, and it's 1, 2 units long. Now DC will receive 3 dashes, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. DC corresponds to HG. That will receive 3 dashes, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units long. Now, I can't find the length of BC. If I were to find it, I would have to use a Pythagorean theorem. So now what we need to do to find the scale factor is we're going to take the new and divide it by the old. Now it doesn't matter which figure we use as a new or the old. So what I'm going to do is take the small figure and make that one the old. And the new figure will be the larger one. So I'm going to take side length AD, which is 5, and divide it by side length EH, which is 4. So 5 divided by 4 will give me 1.2. Now I'm going to do that again for a different side length. So I'm going to take side length AB, which is 3, and divide it by side length EF, which is 2. 3 divided by 2 will give me 1.5. So these do not end up being the same. So that means these figures are not similar. because the scale factors are different. Example number 3. An art show offers different size prints of the same painting. The original print measures 24 centimeters by 30 centimeters. A printer enlarges the original by a scale factor of 1.5 and then enlarges the second image by a scale factor of 3. What are the dimensions of the largest print? Are both of the enlargement prints similar to the original? So first, they told us that the original image is 24 centimeters by 30 centimeters. And we're going to enlarge it first by a scale factor of 1.5 and then again by a scale factor of 3. So I'm going to take the original image, which is 24 by 30, and this is my first image. And I'm going to multiply each of them by 1.5. So 24 times 1.5 will give me 36. Then 30 times 1.5 will give me 45. Now these are my dimensions for my second image. Now I'm going to multiply each of those by 3. So 36 times 3 will give me 108. And then 45 times 3 will give me 135. And these are my dimensions for my third image. So the largest print is 108 centimeters by 135 centimeters, and they are similar to the original because it was dilated.